Hi all, welcome to Shivagana Aptitude classes. This is one of the important session that I am conducting exclusively for the tomorrow's TCS exam. First of all, I just want to give you brief explanation. Welcome to Shivagana Aptitude classes. This is so brief explanation about TCS company recruitment, right, for the tomorrow's exam. Before that, I just want to show you one thing. Now, in this session, the questions that I am going to cover is these. These are all the list of questions that I am going to cover in this session. These are all the questions that I am going to cover in this session. Just a minute. Sorry. Yeah. Just a minute. These are all I explained. Yeah. So one, two, three, four. Better to say this question is from percentages, and this is the question from profit and loss. This is the question from set theory. This is the question from ratio and proportions. This is the question from again set theory. It's an number series question, and this is the question of a logical reasoning question, good quality question, and this is a word number analogy question. This is a number analogy question, and this is the question on clock. This is the question on calendar. This is the question on coding and decoding, and this is the question again on set theory. This is the question on simple interest. A question on simple interest. The question on simple interest, and this is the question again on simple interest, and this is the question on time and work. So these are the topics that I want to explain in this session, right? Now, why I am considering only these topics in this session? Because you have to see one thing. So whatever the time you have, right? Go to my YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, there is a playlist called, right, exclusively for, there is a playlist called exclusively for TCS. In that playlist, right, mission TCS, this is the playlist. Mission TCS, this is the playlist, right? Mission TCS, this is the playlist. This playlist, I have been covered 6 videos. I have been uploaded 6 videos. In these 6 videos, I covered many of the reasoning questions as well as arithmetic questions. Now, whatever the models that I am not covered in these 6 videos, those I am going to explain right now. Those I am going to explain right now. That's why now those who are aiming for tomorrow's and day after tomorrow's TCS exam, repeatedly listen these 6 videos and the today's session that I am going to explain right now, so that many of these similar varieties of questions you are going to get. Many of the similar varieties of questions you definitely going to get. I am sure about that. I'm sure about that. That's the reason why I'm telling you this one. Yeah, hope you understand. So whatever the question topics that I'm not covered in these 6 videos, those I am going to explain in now present, now this in this session, right? So for the tomorrow and the day after tomorrow and on Monday, you have a TCS drive in different slots. Must and should the same model questions they are going to have. So just go through this playlist, which is much useful, right? So this is the mission TCS playlist, and then one more time telling you to the left, letter series I'm highlighting letter series. మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్గా వినండి, రిపీటెడ్గా వినండి, ఎలా ఆన్సర్ చేయాలో తెలుస్తుంది. అండ్ దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ సమ్ టాపిక్స్ ఐ హావ్ బీన్ కవర్డ్: డైరెక్షన్ సెన్స్, క్యాలెండర్, నంబర్ సిరీస్, స్టాటిస్టిక్స్. డెఫినెట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్, డెఫినెట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్. మీన్, మోడ్, వేరియన్స్. ఐ హావ్ బీన్ కవర్డ్ 3 వీడియోస్, ఇవే వస్తాయండి. నెక్స్ట్ టైమ్, స్పీడ్, డిస్టెన్స్, ఐ కవర్డ్ 4 వీడియోస్. Then time and work, I covered 5 videos. These are enough, Nana. These are more than sufficient. And clock, right? So whatever the time you have, just listen. After that, go through this TCS Digital NQT playlist. In this playlist, this 2021 September questions are explained. So my sincere advice is, whatever the time you have, కొంచెం కష్టపడైనా నైట్ అయినా మేల్కొని just listen these videos, you will get the same model questions, right? Mission TCS, letter series, the topic wise direction sense, calendar, number series, statistics, time, speed, distance, time and work, right? You can cover, you can have a chance to clear your exam. After that, after listening these, if still you have a time, then go to this TCS NQT, at least 2 or 3 videos. That is beneficial. This is what I would like to explain. Now in this video I am going to in this session I am going to cover few more varieties of questions. Let us see. Yeah, this is the question. Let us see. A and B combined combined monthly salary is $45,000. A spends 80% of his salary. B spends 75% of his. If their savings are same, find the fantastic statement. If their savings are same. So A and B combined, how much, my dear viewers? How much it is? $45,000. That's okay. $45,000. A spends 70% of his salary. B spends 75%. Okay. A spends 80% of his salary, which means 20% is saving. 20% is saving of A. And 75% spends, so 25% is saving of B. 25% is saving of B. Now what he told, if their savings are same, let us say A salary is A. In this 20% is saving. Let us say B salary is B. In this 25% is saving. 25% is saving. He is given that these two are equal. 0, 0, 100 gets cancelled. Salary of A divided by salary of B is 25 by 20, which is nothing but 5 by 4. The ratio of their salaries are in the ratio of 5:4. Okay. Now find the A salary. Therefore, A salary is 5 parts. Out of 5 plus 4, 9 parts. The combined salary is 45,000. So 9 fives, 5 fives, 25,000. Simple question, right? Simple question. Previously asked by company Rivacher. You may get the similar questions also. That is the reason why I collecting. As of my experience has been concerned with my experience. ఈ సెషన్లో వీళ్ళకి ఏవి చెప్తే బెటర్ అనే ఒక ఉద్దేశంతో నేను కలెక్ట్ చేసినండి. రైట్, ఆల్రెడీ కవర్ చేసిన క్వశ్చన్స్ మళ్ళీ అవే చెప్పి యూజ్ ఏంటి? అండర్స్టాండ్ ద పాయింట్? Yeah, next one. A purchased a bike and spends 75% on its repair. Okay, he sold to B. Okay, then C. Okay, చైన్ లాగా మారుతూ ఉంది. నేను కొన్నాను, కొంత రిపేర్ ఖర్చు పెట్టాను, మళ్ళీ ఇంకోటికి అమ్మాను, వాడు మళ్ళీ ఇంకోటికి అమ్మాడు, లైక్ దిస్, రైట్? ఇట్స్ ఎ చైన్ ప్రాసెస్. లెట్ us say A cost price. A purchased the bike for A rupees and he spends for $75. Right, this is the cost price of the, this is the total cost price of the A. Now he sold B at 25% profit, so which means this is will become 135%. Now this is the cost price of the B. Now what B did, B sold to C at 20% of loss. Now in this 20% is loss, which means 80% is selling price, right? How much did A buy, right? Buy it for. How much did A buy it for? Last for 324 rupees. So finally it is 324 rupees is sold. That's it. Now if you do the calculation properly, you will get the answer for what? A, that is the cost price of A. So do it carefully. You will definitely get the 0 0 gets cancelled. 0 0 gets cancelled, right? 4 twos, 4 25s, 5 5s, 5 twos are 10, 5 sevens, right? That's okay. Now upon calculation, I already calculated. That is the reason why instead of wasting the time, I'm giving the answer. The calculative part, my dear students, you definitely do it. Whatever the calculation that I'm going to do, right, you have to do the same calculation. One best advantage for the TCS is on-screen calculator. One best advantage for the TCS is what? On-screen calculator. On-screen calculator is available. So do it a little more fastly. Do it little more fastly. Here the logic behind the question, how to answer the question, these are the important things that I have to do it here, not the calculative part. Hope you understand, guys. Hope you understand, guys. Next question. In a local university has 2650 students. 2650 students are there. 30% of the students are engineering. Okay. 24% of the students are business management. 26% are medical sciences and the rest study the communication and journalism. 60% of the engineering students got scholarship. How many engineering students did not got the scholarship? Right? Percentages topic, very important topic for placements, right? So 60% of the engineering students got the top, right? First of all, I would like to calculate what 60% of the engineering students got the scholarship. Total 2650, 30% are the engineering. So first of all, how many engineering students that I am calculating? 30% of 2650. This is the engineering students in that college. 0 0 gets cancelled, 0 0 gets cancelled. 250, 750, 45, 795. 795 engineering. In this 795 engineering, 60% of the engineering students got the scholarship. How many engineering students did not get the scholarship? 60% got, which means 40% did not got the scholarship. We need to calculate simply 40% of 795. 40% of 795. That's our answer. 40% of 795. So 2 twos, 2 fives. So 5 ones are 5, 2, 9, 5 fives are 25, 5 nines are 159, 3, 18. That's it. That's it. So 2 into 159, 318. 318 in engineering students, 318 engineering students did not get the scholarship. Percentages topic, 100% sure short topic for placements. 100% sure short topic for placements. A very good quality question is this thesis as far as placements standards has been concerned. Next motion, right? In an alloy, the ratio of copper and zinc, there are two materials in that alloy. Copper and zinc are in the ratio of 5:2. If 2 lbs of pure zinc is added to the alloy, the composition becomes, okay, copper is 5x, zinc is 2x. Okay, now for this 2x zinc, what was happening? 2 lbs pure zinc is added, 2 zinc is added, so that the ratio becomes 5:4. So copper is 5x. Now the zinc is how much? Zinc is 2x plus 2. Zinc is 2x plus 2. So this ratio becomes how much? 5:4. So 5 gets cancelled. 4x minus 2x is equal to 2x. 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 1. x is equal to 1. What was the initial jink? Initial jink is how much? 2x. So 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. Right? Initial jink is how much? 2 lbps. A very simple question, but as far as TCS standards or the placements has been questioned, this is a good quality question. It's a previously asked question by the company called Rivature. You have been received 4 different gifts, right? Much useful for TCS. 14 different gifts, right? So 14 different gifts, 14 different gifts, different, right? You need to distribute it to 3 individuals. The first person gets 4 gifts, second person gets 6 gifts, third person gets 4 gifts. What are the total number of ways to achieve this? So you need to distribute to 3 individuals. So these 14 gifts we have to distribute to first person 4 gifts, second person 6 gifts, third person 4 gifts. In how many ways we can done, right? Based on this distribution, so 14 gifts can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. 14 gifts can be distributed in 4 factorial ways, divided by 4 factorial, 6 factorial, 4 factorial. So this is the answer for this question. One of the finest model question from the topic called permutation and combination. From the topic called permutation and combination, one of the finest model. Undoubtedly a good quality question. Right? Those who are watching this video, please press the like button so that the channel will get boost up. Thank you very much. Next question. What will come in place of the question mark? Fantastic question. That's the question from number series. A definite question in the any drive. 148, 197, 223, comma 258, 258, comma 274, comma. So to crack the number series question, I have been given number of clues. In my video course, I have been given number of clues. And also for this number series concept, I have been uploaded 3 videos in my YouTube channel. 3 videos in my YouTube channel. Do watch every one of you so that you will get what thoughts you should present. As the numbers are almost closer, take the differences. 148, 197. Difference is 18 minus 7 is 9. 13 minus 9 is 4, 49. This difference is 36. This difference is 25. This difference is 4, 16. This is 7 square, this is 6 square, this is 5 square, this is 4 square. Next difference will be 3 square, which means this is 9. 274 plus 9 is 283. That's the answer for this question. 283. That is the answer for this question. Hope you understand. Fantastic question. Much useful question for the drive. Next, a class of 20 people is getting their photographers taken. The first row in the photographs has 10 people and it starts with boy. It starts with boy. First row 10 people. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one, 10th one. If I do this, or we can do it in this way. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one, 10th one. These are the 2 possible ways to stand the persons. First will be the boy, followed by the sequence is followed by one boy followed by 2 girls. 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 One boy. Right? Now, if you go in the reverse way, I'm started with like this. If I start like this, one boy followed by two girls, one boy followed by two girls, one boy followed by two girls, and one boy, right? These are the two ways, right? Okay. uh, who is the seventh person in the row? If you go by this way, seventh person is, in both the cases seventh person is boy. To show the quality of explanation, I have been explained like this, right? So maybe the students, many of the students are put this answer cannot be determined, but see this arrangement. If you see in both the cases, from left to right or right to left, the seventh place is what? The seventh place is what? The seventh place is what? Is a boy. Seventh place is what? Is a boy in both the cases. That's why. That is the reason why. Yeah, number analogy, one of the finest model students has to prepare. 254, 436. In my YouTube channel, there is a playlist called number series. In that, this number analogy also I have been explained with the clues. With the clues. My first clue is what? In this number analogy, sum of the digits. Sum of the digits is my first clue. This is the first choice to crack the number analogy question in my point of view. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. Sum of the digits is 11 here. Next. 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 3, 13. Sum of the digits is 13. Difference is 2. Now here 7 plus 3 is 10. So here the question mark, whatever the number, if the sum of the digits is 12, then this difference will be 2. Then this one and this one are perfectly in analogy or in proportion. Now we are looking for the answer whose sum of the digits is 12. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 1, 12. Sum of the digits is 12. 9 plus 2, 11 plus 4, 15. Sum of the digits is 15. This is 11. This is 14. Sum of the, we need sum of the digits is 12. So 9, 12 is the answer based on this reason. It is easy to listen, but it is very difficult to get this idea in the exam. The only way is do practice. Do practice, my dear viewers. If you practice a number of varieties of question, thoughts will flow in the during the exam. Thoughts will flow during the exam, undoubtedly. Thoughts will flow during the exam, undoubtedly. Practice is the success mantra. It is 17 p.m. when Bronson leaves from work. 17 p.m. 17 p.m. in the sense what, my dear viewers? 5 o'clock, right? 12 plus 5. This is minute hand. This is hour hand. Hour hand, minute hand. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Right. If the minute hand moves 60 degrees clockwise, right, for 1 hour, how much the angle? 30 degrees. Right. So 12 to 1, 30 degrees movement. 1 to 2, 30 degrees movement. Now the minute hand is here. Now the minute hand is here, which means the time is 5:10. 5:10 is nothing but 17:10. Simple question, right? Simple question has been given in Rivature. A good package salary. It was a Sunday on 31st October. Calendar question, must and should topic for all placements. 31st October. 31st October 2010. This is given as Sunday. Sunday is a fun day. What is the day of the week when 31st October 2011 is what? See, a date, month are same. Exactly 1 year gap. Exactly 1 year gap. 1 year gap. 2010 given year is a normal year, and 2011 it is also normal year. It is simply a gap of one normal year. In one normal year, how many odd days? Only one odd day. So simply Sunday plus 1 is nothing but Monday. So 31st October 2011 is what? Monday. Exactly 1 year gap. In that 1 year, it's a normal year. So odd days are 1. In a code language, write coding and decoding. To crack the question on coding and decoding, what you need to do? First of all, place values G7, O15, N14, E5, F6, N 14, O 15, E 6. This is minus 1, this is minus 1, this is a plus 1, this is a plus 1. Minus 1, plus 1, plus 1 is the pattern. Apply the same pattern for this. R minus 1 is nothing but Q. O minus 1 is nothing but N. P plus 1 is nothing but Q. E plus 1 is nothing but F. Qn, Qf. Minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is the pattern. Place values ala gurtundipavali. In a town 20,000 residents, each resident is the town's news or announcer or both. Okay, out of the 20,000 residents, 1240, it is the question of set theory undoubtedly. Right, times towns news, how many? 12420. Okay, this is. And let us say announcer, how many members are announcer reading? 11540. How many residents are reading both? This portion we need. He has given that total is 20,000. In this 20,000, if you subtract simply the sum of the both, you will get the both. You will get, so 12420 plus 11540. If you subtract, you will get this middle value. I already calculated. That is the reason why I am giving the answer, my dear viewers. This is 3960. Both is 3960. Both is 3960. That's the answer for the question. Right, this is, I can say, A intersection B is equal to A plus B minus A union B. You can take like this also. Actually you have to do like this, minus 20,000 here. This is perfect. Strictly speaking, A plus B minus A union B. This is perfect. This is perfect. The simple interest on a principle, simple interest. You once the simple interest అలా కనపడంగానే మీ మైండ్లోకి రావాల్సింది ఇది. Simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. The simple interest on a principal for 5 years is 10 by 13th of the principal. Simple interest is, he has given that simple interest is nothing but 10 by 13 of the principal. So 10 by 13 of the principal is equal to principal P. Rate of interest we need to calculate. Time period is 5 years divided by 100. This is simple calculation we are expecting. This is 5 2s 200 by 13, 15.38. 200 by 13, 15.38%. So rate of interest, PP gets cancelled. Rate of interest is nothing but simply 200 by 13%. 200 by 13% is simply nothing but 15.38%. 15.38%. Simple question. Next one. What would be the simple interest again for 7 months 8 try? Directly simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. Principal is 8400. P rate of interest is 8.5. Time period is 7 months, which is nothing but 7 by 12 divided by 100. This calculation we require. So this is 8400 into 85 into 7 divided by 100 into 12 into 10. 8.5 multiplying with the 10 divided by 10. So 12 sevens, right? Okay, fine. So 416.5. I already made the calculation. That is the reason why I'm giving the solution right away. I already do the calculation. That is the reason why I'm giving the answers right away. Right? 416.5 instead of wasting the time. And what sum of money will the simple interest be? 15750 for 4 years. And what sum of money? We need to calculate the principal. And what sum of money? So simple interest is 15,750 is equal to SI is equal to principal. We need to calculate. A rate of interest is 14%, which is nothing but 14 by 100. Time period is 4 years. Time period is 4 years 6 months. 4 1 by 2, which is nothing but 4 2s are 8, 9 by 2. 9 by 2 years. Right, upon the calculation, I got the answer for the p-value principal is 25,000. I already do the calculation. That is the reason why I'm giving the straight away this one. Straight away this one. Right, principal is 25,000. Next one, find how many years, the time period we need. Simple interest on the sum of 8,000B. So principal is 8,000. Simple interest is 2240. So SI is equal to principal is 8,000 P. Rate of interest is given as 8%. Time period we need to calculate. These two zeros, these two zeros. So time period is equal to what? 2240 divided by 88 into 8. This 0 also cancelled. So this I got 3.5 years. I already do the calculation, that's why. Right, these are the most frequently asked questions by the TCS in the topic of simple interest. Simple questions, easy to crack. Right, your confidence level. If you are confident while going the exam, you will get the thoughts. Thoughts will flow like hydrogen. Laga flow the thoughts. If you are confident. For that confident, to get that confident, you should be good at a topic wise, and also you should be good at topic wise, as well as you must do more practice. Right. Xan and Rian. Xan and Rian together can finish the piece of work in 40 days. Together finish in 40 days. Xani alone can do it in 90 days. Xani alone can do it in. What is the number of days required by the Rian finish alone? Right? Together finish in 40 days. Okay. Xan alone finish in 90. For example, if I take the LCM of these two, 40 90 LCM, can I take 360? Yeah, 360 is my LCM. Let us say this is the total work. Now Xan and Rian 1 day work is how many? Xani and Rian 1 day work 360 by 40. 360 divided by 40. 9 work in 1 day. And Xani 1 day work is how much? Xani 1 day. 360 is the total work done it in 90 days. Xani 1 day work is 4 work. Together 9 work, Xani 4 work, which means which means Ryan one day work is how much? 5 work. 5 work in one day. So Ryan takes how many days? So 360 is the total work. One day 5. 5 sevens are 35, 5 twos are 10. 72 days. Right? I never encourage this method for this question. It's a time taken process. If you go this method, you will get the answer undoubtedly, but it will take time. Instead of that, what I'm going to do, just see, I'm together finishing together finish in 40 days. Xani alone can finish in 90 days. So Rian alone can finish in how many days? Simply you just do this, 40 into 90 divided by 90 minus 40. Simply if you do, you will get the same 72. 40 into 90 divided by 90 minus 40 is 50. Got? 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 eights are 8, 9, 5 eights are 9 eights are 72. Right? Same answer, right? That's the shortcut. That's the shortcut, my dear viewers. Hope you understand this session. Hope you understand this session. A short duration of session. A very happy Christmas in advance to all my viewers, listeners. Thank you one and all for joining the today's session, my dear viewers. Very, very, very all the best to all the aspirants who are going to write the tomorrow's TCS exam. Who are going to write the tomorrow's TCS exam. సో మీరు నేను చెప్పినట్లు స్టార్టింగ్లో ఈ సెషన్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఏదైతే చెప్పానో అవి గుర్తుపెట్టుకొని రిపీటెడ్గా వినండి. అవే మోడల్స్ వస్తాయి. యూ కెన్ ఆన్సర్. గో విత్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్. గో విత్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్. డోంట్ డూ సిల్లీ ఎర్రర్స్. Don't do silly errors. Thank you one and all for joining the today's session. Thank you all. Bye bye. See you. Happy Christmas. Enjoy the day.